Hello, my lovely English learners. Welcome to day 7 of our Shadowing Speaking Challenge. You've made it this far and I'm so proud of your progress. Speaking a new language is not just about words. It's about connection, expression, and confidence. And today's topic is all about feelings, how we feel and how we talk about those feelings in English. Sometimes we're happy. Sometimes we're tired or stressed. And sometimes we don't even know how we feel. But learning to talk about emotions is important. It helps us connect with others, understand ourselves, and get support when we need it. Even simple sentences like, I feel sad, or I'm excited, can make a big difference in communication. In this episode, we'll practice 20 common and useful sentences about emotions. As always, I'll say each sentence 3 times. First, you listen. Second, you speak with me. Try to match my voice, rhythm, and energy. You can pause and repeat as many times as you like. This is your time to grow and feel more natural in English. So take a deep breath. Ask yourself, how do I feel today? Let's begin this journey of speaking and feeling together. Ready? Let's go. 20 sentences, talking about emotions. 1. I feel happy today. I feel happy today. I feel happy today. 2. I'm a little sad. I'm a little sad. I'm a little sad. 3. He looks angry. He looks angry. He looks angry. 4. She seems tired. She seems tired. She seems tired. 5. I'm very excited. I'm very excited. I'm very excited. 6. I feel nervous. I feel nervous. I feel nervous. 7. I'm so proud of you. I'm so proud of you. I'm so proud of you. 8. I feel calm and relaxed. I feel calm and relaxed. I feel calm and relaxed. 9. I'm worried about something. I'm worried about something. I'm worried about something. He's very shy. He's very shy. He's very shy. 11. He feels lonely. He feels lonely. He feels lonely. 12. I'm feeling better now. I'm feeling better now. I'm feeling better now. 13. I'm scared of spiders. I'm scared of spiders. I'm scared of spiders. 14. He's very kind. He's very kind. He's very kind. 15. I feel confused. I feel confused. I feel confused. 16. She's always cheerful. She's always cheerful. She's always cheerful. 17. I'm so frustrated. I'm so frustrated. I'm so frustrated. 18. You look happy today. You look happy today. You look happy today. 19. I feel really thankful. I feel really thankful. I feel really thankful. 20. I love this feeling. I love this feeling. I love this feeling. Amazing work today. You just practiced 20 powerful sentences to express your feelings in English. That's not only useful for language, it's useful for life. Remember, it's okay to feel many things. And now you have the words to say them out loud with confidence. Come back and repeat this episode anytime you want. You're getting stronger, clearer, and more natural every day. Thanks for joining me today. I'm proud of you. See you tomorrow for day 8 of our challenge. Until then, be kind to yourself and keep speaking.